Hey guys, before we get into the video, I know this is pretty different to my usual content. Please like and subscribe. I really enjoyed doing this video, and I'm actually planning on making more science-based informative videos just like these on topics which interest me. So please let me know what you think in the description, and I hope you enjoy the video. Researchers have linked the travels of a 14,000-year-old woolly mammoth to the oldest known human settlements in Alaska, providing clues about the relationship between the iconic species and some of the earliest people to travel across the Bering Land Bridge. Isotopic data along with DNA from other mammoths at the site and archaeological evidence indicates that early Alaskans likely structured their settlements to overlap with areas where mammoths congregated in large numbers. These findings, highlighted in the new issue of the journal Science Advances, provide evidence that mammoths and early hunter-gatherers shared habitat in the region. The long-term, predictable presence of woolly mammoths would have attracted humans to the area. Scientists made these connections by using isotope analysis to study the life of a female mammoth named by the Healy Lake Village Council. A tusk from Elma was discovered at the Swan Point archaeological site in interior Alaska. Samples from the tusk revealed details about Elma and roughly 1,000-kilometer journey she took through the Alaskan and northwestern Canadian wilderness during her lifetime. Isotopic data along with DNA from other mammoths at the site and archaeological evidence indicates that early Alaskans likely structured their settlements to overlap with areas where these mammoths had congregated in large numbers. These findings, highlighted in the new issue of the journal Science Advances, provided evidence that mammoths and early hunter-gatherers shared habitats along the region. The long-term predictable presence of woolly mammoths would have attracted humans and hunter-gatherers to the area. She wandered around the densest region of archaeological sites in Alaska. It looks like these early people were establishing hunting camps in areas that were frequented by mammoths. The mammoth tusk was excavated and identified in 2009 by Charles Holmes, affiliate research producer of anthropomorphology at UAF. They found Elma's tusk and the remains of two related juvenile mammoths, along with evidence of campfires, the use of stone tools, and butchered remains of early game. All this indicates a pattern consistent with human hunting mammoths. Researchers at UAF's Alaska Stable Isotope Facility then analyzed thousands of samples from Elma's tusk to recreate her life and her travels. Isotopes provide chemical markers of an animal's diet and location. The markers are then recorded in bones and tissues of the animals and remain even after the animal dies. Mammoth tusks are well suited to isotopic study because they grew throughout the ancient animals' lives, with clearly visible layers appearing when split lengthways. These growth bands, similar to those found in wood, give researchers a way to collect chronological record of mammoth's life by studying isotopes in samples along the diameter of the tusk. Much of Elma's journey overlapped with that of a previously studied male mammoth who lived 3,000 years earlier, demonstrating long-term movement patterns by the mammoths over several millennia. In Elma's case, they also indicated that she was a healthy 20-year-old female. She was a young adult in the prime of her life. Her isotopes showed that she was not malnourished. The era in which Elma lived may have compounded the challenges posed by the relatively recent appearance of humans. The grass and shrub-dominated steppe landscape that had been common in interior Alaska was beginning to shift to more of a forested terrain. Climate change at the end of the Ice Age fragmented mammoths' preferred open habitat, potentially decreasing movement and making them more vulnerable to human predation. And that is it for today's video, guys. It's a little different. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be more content coming like this. As I said, I really enjoyed making this video. So yeah, guys, peace out.